Okay, Volkswagen Passat CC Europe model. Okay, installed for Convex 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing and OEM socket with canbus. So all the original setting can use. So reverse. Okay. This is auto front camera function. Steering control. Google Maps, Waze, YouTube. This is vehicle checking. Original setting checking. So front camera, a radio, okay, this is 10.1 inch for Volkswagen Passat CC. So it's come with a OEM casing as well, so good fitting. Okay, 10.1 inch Android GPS, Android Master Convex player. Thank you.